How to use the Precise Dosing Applicator from Surterra Wellness. First, remove the protective cap and set it aside. The color of the cap indicates which product formula you're using, so be sure to hold on to it. The first time you use a new Precise Dosing Applicator, you'll need to prime it by twisting the device 2 or 3 times to remove any air bubbles. You'll feel it click as you twist. To dispense the product, you want to twist the device very slowly. Remember, the pure reserve oil is highly concentrated. The top of the device will rise to reveal these black lines. These lines are small, but they're extremely important to monitor closely. Now that you have your desired dose, gently push the top of the Precise Dosing Applicator down. You'll see the pure reserve oil start to dispense from the metal tip of the applicator. And there you go! The Precise Dosing Applicator makes it easy to see and dispense the exact amount of oil you need, with less mess and less potential for wasted product.